In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Maps default. We're going to set things up so Google Maps is always just one click away in your browser, making it the place you start from without hunting through links or search results. Begin by opening Google Maps in your browser. The simplest way is to type maps.google.com into the address bar and press enter. You can also search for Google Maps and choose the official result. Once the page loads, you're on the right screen to save it for quick access. If you're signed into your browser, your preferences and saved places will sync across devices, but that's optional for this setup. Next, look at the right side of your browser's address bar and click the star icon. This star is the universal bookmark button. In most browsers, you'll see a small window pop up asking where to save the bookmark and what to name it. If you prefer shortcuts, pressing Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac does the same thing. The key is that the star or shortcut creates a permanent, easy to reach entry for Google Maps. Now choose to save this bookmark to your browser toolbar, sometimes called the bookmarks bar or favorites bar. This is what puts Google Maps right under the address bar so it's always visible. Give it a short, clear name like Maps to keep your toolbar tidy and easy to scan. Make sure the address is correct, ideally maps.google.com or google.com/maps, then confirm and save. You should immediately see the new Maps button appear on your toolbar. If your toolbar is hidden, don't worry, the bookmark still exists and can be accessed from your bookmarks or favorites menu whenever you need it. From this point on, you've effectively made Google Maps your default starting point for finding places and directions in the browser. Anytime you open your browser or a new tab, click the Maps button on your toolbar and you're in. You no longer have to rely on finding a link or typing the address from scratch. This simple change streamlines your workflow, especially if you check routes daily or frequently look up businesses and landmarks. A quick note for clarity, this method makes Google Maps your go-to destination in the browser, but it doesn't change system-level defaults in other apps. For everyday browsing though, the toolbar bookmark is the fastest, most reliable way to start with Maps every time. That's it. With Google Maps pinned to your toolbar, you can jump into navigation or explore locations instantly, keeping your daily routine smooth and consistent.